If you need to update your client's contact email address, you will be able to do this via the Clients tab. Find the relevant client account, click View. Now there are two places an email address will need to be updated within the system. There is the initial client account information, which can be seen here at the top. This can be added to or amended by clicking Edit Client, Update, and there is also the client user login. This is your client's user login email address, which is used to access their customer account, and it's also the email address the system sends any automated emails to. To update this email address, you will need to unlink the user from this account. Now you are able to add a new client user. The system will then send a welcome email to the email address, and you can ask your client if they have received this.